समझ में आ गया होगा। इफ यू स्टूडेंट हैव एनी डाउट देन आस्क मी फ्रीली, ओके। सो आज हम हमारे फर्स्ट चैप्टर में आगे बढ़ेंगे। लेसन नेम है इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर। उसमें हम टॉपिक ले रहे थे हिस्ट्री ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। हमने फोर्थ टॉपिक तक कंप्लीट किया था और आज हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। उसमें फिफ्थ है पंच कार्ड। सो लेट्स वी लर्न अबाउट पंच कार्ड, ओके। In the year 1890, Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, designed a machine that was driven by electricity. Herman Hollerith designed a machine which is driven or executed using electricity in 1890. Okay, he used punch card. In bracket, stiff paper with holes, punch at fixed point. Means it used punch card. Punch card means it is like a cardboard, one kind of cardboard or hard paper. Stiff paper means hard paper or like a cardboard, which is punch at a fixed size or fixed point. This card is punched with a fixed point which is used for input, storage and output. Okay. To feed data or number into the machine, punch card were used in computer for many years since then. तब से जब से इन्वेंशन हुआ था this electric machine and this electric machine use a punch card. जब से punch card का यूज हुआ था then punch card उसके बाद यूज हुआ for storing the data, input the data और for output. punch card की इमेज आपको आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में दी गई है like this. It will look like this. Okay. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स। to 1950 around the year 1920 an electrical device called vacuum tube. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? पंच कार्ड के बाद किसका इन्वेंशन हुआ? वैक्यूम ट्यूब का was invented. It brought about a tremendous increase in the speed of calculation. जिसने कैलकुलेशन की स्पीड बढ़ा दी, कई गुना बढ़ा दी। In 1945, J.P. Icahn and John Muesli, two American engineers, were used a vacuum tube to build ENIAC. ENIAC, one kind of computer. ENIAC is a base of computer. ENIAC का इन्वेंशन किसने किया था? जॉन म्यूस्ली और जेपी कार्ड. The first electronic calculating machine computer, compute means calculate. Since the ENIAC could only do calculation, it came to be known as computer. ENIAC का इन्वेंशन for the use of calculation ही हुआ था. It will perform only calculation based task. It does not able to perform any other task. Okay. Then many improvements were made in the computer since then. उसके बाद कंप्यूटर में कई तरह के इम्प्रूवमेंट लाए गए. It began to be used not only for doing a calculation but also for writing, listening to music, drawing, playing games and many other tasks. However, it is still called computer. Computer का this ENIAC was designed for perform a calculation based task. That's why it is called a computer. उसका नाम क्या पड़ा? कंप्यूटर के नाम से वो जाना गया उसके बाद उसमें कई सारे चेंजेस किए गए। Nowadays we can use a computer for performing many other tasks like playing games, listen music, watch movies. These all tasks we can do with a computer easily, but still it is called a computer because main use of computer is to perform a calculation based task. Okay. The ENIAC was so large that it would occupy a big hole. ENIAC जो था, जो मशीन इन्वेंट किया गया था, it is very large, almost occupy one hole or one room. Okay. It had around 80,000 vacuum tube and consume a large amount of electricity. Also, it is consume a large amount of electricity and it had around 18,000 वैक्यूम ट्यूब का आपको यहाँ पे इमेज दिया गया है. It will look like this. This is vacuum tube. Almost ENIAC occupy 18,000 vacuum tubes and consumed a large amount of electricity. Okay. Nevertheless, it had a fantastic speed of doing calculation. It used to perform a 5,000 addition in 1 second and 502-digit multiplication in 1 digit. That's why इसमें इसकी कैलकुलेटिंग स्पीड काफ़ी अच्छी थी. Then the punch card, by using punch card, first generation computer ENIAC was very speedy for doing calculation. It will perform a 5,000 addition in 1 second and 500 two-digit multiplication in 1 second. वो क्या परफॉर्म कर सकता था? 5,000 एडिशन परफॉर्म इन 1 सेकेंड और 2 डिजिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमको करना है. इट विल परफॉर्म 502 डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन 1 सेकेंड. इट विल परफॉर्म very fast. Then by using punch card, जो मशीन इन्वेंट हुआ था उससे कई ज़्यादा ENIAC was fast. The ENIAC is called the granddaddy of the present computer. ENIAC was a base of computer and it is also known as the granddaddy of the present computer. Computer like the ENIAC which use vacuum tube are called the first generation computer. It is called a first generation computer. ENIAC was called a first generation computer. Though the computers were very large, they were not as efficient as the small palm top computer available today. But small palm top computer जो अभी अवेलेबल है उससे जो है उतने भी एफिशिएंट नहीं थे. It is not more efficient because it is just a use for only calculation. Okay. They were not as efficient as the small palm top computer available today. Okay. उसके बाद है सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर. Second generation computer 1955 to 60. In the 1948, William Shockley invented the transistor which replaced a vacuum tube in a computer. उसके बाद किसका इन्वेंशन हुआ? In a second generation computer, it will develop. William Shockley developed invented a transistor which replaced vacuum tube. Okay, which replaced vacuum tube in a computer. A transistor was 200 times smaller will look like this. A transistor was 200 times smaller than a vacuum tube and it consumed a less electricity. ENIAC बहुत ही ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज करता था because it will use a vacuum tube, but by using transistor it will consume a less electricity and also a less space. Okay, the first transistor computer was created in 1953. In 1953 first second generation computer was developed in the year 1953. Okay, the processing speed of the second generation computer was greater than the first generation computer. Obviously उसकी स्पीड और it will occupy or consume a less electricity and it is a more speedy than the first generation computer. The processing speed of the second generation computer was greater than the processing speed of the second generation computer is greater than the first generation computer. Okay. Now we learn about our third generation of computer. In 1958, Czech Kilby invented the chip. He fixed many transistors and other electric components on a single chip called integrated circuit. Small chip. Czech Kilby invented a chip, small chip. In it, there were many transistors are fixed and other electric components are fixed. आपको यहाँ पे दी गई है इंटीग्रेटेड चिप की इमेज, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। उसने ट्रांजिस्टर को रिप्लेस कर दिया, उस चिप ने ट्रांजिस्टर को रिप्लेस कर दिया एंड टुडे thousands of transistors and other electric components are fixed on the small chip. उस चिप में thousands of transistors फिक्स किए गए थे और नंबर ऑफ अदर इलेक्ट्रिक कंपोनेंट भी उस चिप में फिक्स किए गए थे. The third generation computer were much cheaper, smaller in size and their processing speed was quick. Obviously it will use 1,000 of transistor and other electric component and that's why it is a more cheaper in price and smaller in size. It is also smaller in size than the second generation computer or first generation computer. Okay, and processing speed was quite high. थोड़ी उसकी स्पीड ज़्यादा बढ़ गई than the second generation computer. Okay. Now we learn about a fourth generation computer. In the year 1971, the present day computer are the fourth generation computer as the result of the VLSI, very large scale integration technology. A million electric component can be fixed on a single tiny microprocessor like a chip. One microprocessor is developed for the processing of data. A million electric component can be fixed on a single tiny microprocessor chip. It is a one kind of chip like this. In this, it will fix a lots of electric components and lots of transistor. Like इसमें क्या किया गया था, ट्रांजिस्टर lots of number of transistor को फिट किया गया था इस चिप में. As this microprocessor chip was fixed with lots of electric components. डेटा आप इनपुट करेंगे उस पर प्रोसेस करने का काम भी बाय यूजिंग माइक्रो प्रोसेसर होगा, और कौन सा आउटपुट डिस्प्ले करना है वो सभी डिसाइड बाय यूजिंग अ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर। ओके, एंटायर वर्क ऑफ द कंप्यूटर और एंटायर वर्क ऑफ द कंप्यूटर वाज मॉनिटर्ड बाय अ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर। ओके, इट फंक्शन लाइक द ह्यूमन ब्रेन। वो कैसे फंक्शन करता है? लाइक अवर ब्रेन। अगर हमको कुछ ठंडा या गर्म हम पीते हैं और हमको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म और ठंडा लगता है मुंह में, then at that time our teeth pass the message to the brain that कि अभी बहुत गर्म लग रहा है और अभी भी ज़्यादा ठंडा लग रहा है। Like this it will work like brain of the computer is microprocessor. It will act like a human brain. Okay, but it does not have its own brain. And so it requires a set of instruction. It will require a set of instruction which is known as logical instruction, which is known as a program. Set of number of programs are fixed in a computer. Okay, and so it required a set of instruction to carry out its function. Today personal computer PC are manufactured using a microprocessor chip. Nowadays आप जो भी PC और लैपटॉप यूज करते हैं उस सभी में माइक्रो प्रोसेसर अवेलेबल होता है, एंड मैन्युफैक्चर बाय यूजिंग, उसको बनाया जाता है बाय यूजिंग अ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर चिप। ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड विथ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक नेम फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर। टुडे एफर्ट्स आर on to make a computer that is based on a knowledge based procedure and artificial intelligence, which will help a computer to read what we write, speak and modify the programs according to the requirement. अभी फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर के ऊपर रिसर्च हो रहा है, बनाया जा रहा है और डेवलप किए जा रहे हैं एंड उसमें क्या यूज किया जा रहा है फॉर द वेज दैट इट विल यूज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. इट विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यूजर वांट टू डू विद द कंप्यूटर बाय इटसेल्फ, लाइक व्हाट वी राइट, speak and modify the program according to the user requirement. यूजर की जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी वो कंप्यूटर बाय itself अंडरस्टैंड इजीली कर सकेगा. दिस काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वाज डेवलप्ड लाइक नॉलेज बेस्ड प्रोसीजर एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. Nowadays developer work on this two main thing, that a computer based on computer used for perform a knowledge based task and use a artificial intelligence. Okay, this will require a million of transistor and other electric components to fix on a chip. They will use SLSI, super large scale integrated chip. It will use 1,000 of transistor and 1,000 of electrical components for the better invention. It will use 1,000 of transistor and other electronic computer for to fix on a particular chip, and they will use SLSI chip, super large scale integrated chip, for the development of a fifth generation computer. Okay, so now we can finish our lecture here, and if you student have any doubt related